Okay.
So, venue-wise, time is now officially 7:30. We gotta be out of here by, so...
Okay.
You guys 25 minutes to play this duel.
What?
Made shark.
And get out of here.
Deep is your made shark.
Do you got an answer?
Nope. Okay, that's not... No, that's actually still bad.
There's a shark coming with it. There might be more. I'm gonna check.
See this? The other one. Put it on the other side. This is all cards.
Magician Shark.
Yeah. All cards like
Magician Shark 5.
Oh yeah.
Shark also to 5.
Okay.
Activated Tanky.
Okay.
So 45 to
Three.
That guy was in attack position. Alright. So now.
This is finals.
This is lost too.
They're playing for a super rare Undyne.
Oh yeah.
It's right up there.
No. I got a better idea.
Spells.
Okay.
Now I can do that. I sold for one more stuff.
Yep.
I have another diva.
Great. It's fine.
Now you're right at the pass.
Yep.
Epic dueling happening.
Sort of.
How many in?
I got 3.
Three in hand.
Is this kind of relevant? Or you just
I've never done my brother.
Playing for an Undyne. Did you back a
It was
second?
my idea.
Did you back a second?
I gotta kick some scrub's ass real quick. Don't hurt me. With his own death.
Yep.
Go roundies with that?
No. I'm on like 5 hours of sleep and very little food, so I'm going home and I'm gonna crash really hard.
So basically, you're getting betrayed with Brad using out.
I guess, yeah.
No spells, right?
Yesterday, today, and I'm off.
Depends on when the bus comes, actually. Yeah, those things.
Hey, Brad.
My bar doesn't get good until probably like a minute.
I'm gonna steal another one of those holes.
McDonald's, Wendy's,
It's a new
Armor cap.
That's awesome.
This is not good.
If you go to,
I don't like delicious though.
suppressor and stuff you put off that. And then I use it. Thing is, you're going
you're going to
that is what it allows you
I'm so mad they're not even taking this one.
Oh, really?
This is the one situation where you want to play Mystic.
I know.
Hard, like they're not even found, they closed them all.
We're getting like freezing rain or something. So it's coming from the rest right
We got slammed.
now. You can take a chance and drive in it. A lot of people didn't show up. Me and some of your guys
No one from Bafford Drive.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Now I know why.
So much snow, they're not finding it.
It's irritating.
You guys are living the action.
You think it's irritating for you?
Reasonably successful.
Why? You're just retarded.
Adam, man. This is going on.
You really did.
Yep.
Considering the stuff I gave up for the stuff that I traded, I didn't give up.
I can't say when, but it will go up.
I traded a lot. I don't usually trade that much. I just watch like but I actually traded. Like I knew I was getting the game. I don't know what the value of cards, but I knew that guy was real not there.
With Carl was like,
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, my channel's really official.
I go.
Go ahead. That was the wrong
I don't know
play.
why, but yeah, it's just like, it's been like, it's that secret.
Actually, I don't think I could have, considering what happened.
Same price no matter what came out.
Secret volcanic rock 15.
Yeah, they kept that price.
all the grand cards, course level 6, we're like, oh, fuck.
Carl's was I don't even want to trade. I don't even want to Cherokee for them so cheap. That's what he said. Yeah. Well, I'm looking for level 6. It was like actually once or whatever. Yeah. And then it's like every card I touch, give me your card, I'll touch it. Here's the value.
Oh, I don't know. I got it for Christmas. It was over 100. Yeah. That much I know, but I couldn't tell you exactly how much. It does HD and SD and stuff like that.
That was $5.
If you do HD, it only like with my SD card, it only holds maybe 4 videos, and it burns the battery out like almost immediately.
Turns out they're 10 to 15 each. It was $240. And I didn't know either. Every time I pulled out a card, it was worth $20.
I just looked them up just for curiosity's sake. It wasn't because we wanted to like push the value up. You're just like curious. Who's in these?
Every time I touched the card, it was
Mine. Okay, so there's an ID here and stuff.
Monster effects response.
Look at Carl's binder, front center.
yeah, it's the same as ours.
It's the same binder.
Same binder, everything. I'm talking about it.
It's hilarious. Like, oh my god, this is my binder.
That's what I said. So if I would have saw that, I would have pushed it up and carried it away thinking it was ours. What are the odds of that? There's only 2 test print cards in the whole place, and they're both blue binders in the middle front page.
He doesn't get his boost, eh? So he's still 20.
He's 22.
Over like 2 luminous for the little retreat and stuff like that, and then put the rank 7 on, they can just overwin any constellar. So you're 2 luminous and 1 midnight fusion chance to a
Take it, only boost your own.
The next turn you can detach and take a JD.
It's a little funny in a fire boost.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah. I mean it.
Called monster effect. Look at your stuff.
I did.
I'm standing here and I'm waiting on these.
Say please. Can you bring them to me?
I just didn't want to scream that on camera.
Thank you.
If you don't mind. Standing here doing absolutely nothing.
What do you got?
Thanks, bro.
You know what the worst spread of this booster set is? It's win.
He's terrible. He's terrible.
Oh my god, I played Firefist last night. The guy dropped Jack's more than the first turn. I was
Take 11 all around 8, table 1. No, it's all good.
Anyone want to that dragon?
No.
You have to literally find something that doesn't bother me that much, because I do one of them. That's insane of a value.
I know, but it's what it's at. I know, that's why. And I'm valuing it at the low end.
There was one guy who bought all of them at 40 and relisted all of them at 100 on 6 different accounts. Everyone just assumed that was the price.
What? 70 trades.
Yeah, okay.
And I value it at like 25.
17 for take 11.
One insane guy and a bunch of people said, well, I can get them on
And
they were
74.
No, they were like 40 before they announced theirs, like 40 each. And like what were they? What's the set? RPO2, those ones were only like 20. And they both just shot up because one guy.
RPO2 was actually higher value.
I'm at 63 or 79.
Right now than from our.
It's funny because it's going to be a win structure deck. You notice there's been a light one with fairies, a dark one with Grapha, fire one with Druidics, there's water one with Atlanteans. The win structure deck is going to have that dragon in it.
I'm keeping mine. I'm keeping 2 of them for my own deck. So I've been playing shiny. Travis is gonna buy it from me if I can't sell it.
What's wrong with him?
He's one to build as long as I have.
What's wrong with him? Besides everything else.
One in hand?
Yep.
I took similar to your tournament locals at the top. Yeah, we'll have fun.
We had 37 people at our local.
Wow.
Go ahead.
Wow.
It was crazy.
Not quite what I wanted.
And then a Vanguard right after it, and we had a Cutter Corman short to start a Vanguard going.
We remember having a tidy store.
You guys regionals, but 2 weekends ago.
Last weekend. Go ahead.
Because we have a tournament yesterday. After our tournament wasn't the same day as your regionals. What happened? Yesterday we had a tournament and locals were more people than
I know you did stuff. That's just the we lost.
it's also because of the newsletter.
I might have acquired it today.
Strangers.
Probably would have got you off
Like every single one of like, our locals usually have just like 20, 37 is ridiculous.
What'd you get today?
Yeah, our regionals got split because of that storm. Like we lost everyone from Halifax. It's true. We only got a few. We lost a load from Friday games. We lost a lot of like the younger kids that usually go to our regionals from Moncton weren't coming. Like there was a lot of people we lost from ours.
Oh, yeah, right. Gotcha. Phoenix Chain Gotcha. Vanished.
16?
Yep.
You see that?
47.
What's Kenya?
79.
I took 11 years ago. You told me to do that!
Deal with it, .jk.
Like I said, not an official channel.
Yeah.
I don't think there is an official channel.
Not for Yu-Gi-Oh.
It's just that it is an official tournament.
If you want to know, you get a warning if you say how much. You want, you can just trade it right away. You can stop working through your stuff and do your trade if you want.
I'll let you look at my stuff.
Will the water player win his undie? Do you actually have like your undies in your deck?
He was using our
Oh, you're synchroing.
2 sets of DTs.
Oh my. Oh my. Okay.
Yeah, it's crazy. I don't trade that much.
One of them!
Why'd you ask me too?
Why not?
Somebody still has one up right now. Look at that. I was curious why he killed one that doesn't change the game state at all. When this top deck monster reborn and now his wind up rabbit still in
The amount of outs I have left in my deck, probably not many.
Dan, are they on duel 2, 3? They're on duel 3? Robbie, call them, tell her 5 minutes.
So we look at us for those. For that.
On that last turn.
That's go ahead. How much is that worth? I can't be wrong.
Marksman.
Oh yeah, 47?
Yep.
He's not an ultimate dark soul.
Just straight to a tour guide for us.
If you can find the cheapest one,
I don't have a choice that's going to kill me otherwise.
13.
I need the worst tour guide you can get.
5 and 18.
23 and 13 is what it says.
Yeah, you're...
Oh, I said 13.
Go ahead.
Am I supposed to look at this?
Those two didn't 20 right now. Doesn't make a difference anyway.
You got it.
Ken, you have a question. Why'd you bother